The Iranian government is calling this week's anniversary celebration a big victory. At Friday prayers in Tehran, a pro-government cleric called a parade of hundreds of thousands of supporters in downtown Tehran, quote, a show of power, insightfulness, wisdom, allegiance to the supreme leader, and national unity throughout the country. Now, we managed to reach one of the opposition activists who tried to march against the government on Thursday. This is what she had to say to us. We have to keep her identity secret to protect her from the security forces.
The Green Movement had for this day was not really a good plan, because what in the end happened was that we all went there. We were ready for a lot of the consequences of, every time that we go there. But what happened was that we couldn't even dare say anything because they were ready to arrest us for the smallest movement.
Activists from the Green Movement say they were disorganized. They also say there was a huge presence of security forces. We have video showing what looks like tear gas or pepper spray being used to disperse one of the opposition leaders, Mehdi Keroubi, who had to flee the scene when he tried to attend Thursday's rally. Iran experts say that the regime appears to have gotten better at crushing opposition demonstrations.
The regime has cracked down harder and harder, and they're getting better at it. I mean, repression does work, and they now are much more organized in terms of keeping things quiet and keeping the opposition down than they were before.
Many opposition activists say they are demoralized right now. They will take some time to examine how best to progress in the future when facing off against a government that has a monopoly of power, controls all of the state media, and has shown absolutely no tolerance for dissent within Iran. Ivan Watson, CNN, reporting from the Iran desk.